Welcome. Welcome aboard the ZO&O Holiday Train, where you will experience the magic of Zoo Lights powered by LES. We're so glad you're joining us for a ride this evening. Before we start our single lap around the zoo, please listen carefully to a few important safety reminders. While the train is in motion, please remain seated and keep your arms, legs, and your candy canes inside the train at all times. Please secure all loose items. If an item does fall out of the train, do not jump off the train to retrieve it. At the end of your ride, let a train engineer know what you have lost, and they will retrieve it for you. Please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. The conductor will let you know when it's safe to exit the very merry train. When you exit, please watch your step down. Thank you for visiting. We hope you enjoy the magic of Zoo Lights powered.
Kiếm cho nhìn thấy cái này là nó là cái to đó. Cho đeo kiếm cho nhìn chưa? Nè, cho đeo kiếm tới đây là thấy không?
Yeah, I should have. Sorry. I could have said it a little bit better. Yeah.
Bây giờ bầu green là cái chỗ này green cái hả?
Yeah.
From the void to the vivid dreams, God, I can't do this, can't do this, no. Every thought like a laser beam, cutting right through my skull. If I wake, will you stay with me? Tell me it's over, say it's just sleep. From the void to the vivid dreams, God, I can't do this. Nightmare with me. Clock hands doing circles, like they're laughing at my eyes. Heart race in a small room, turn the quiet into knives. I keep seeing you falling, then I'm the one who lets go. I reach out in the darkness, catch a fistful of cold. From the void to the vivid dreams, God, can't do this, can't do this, oh. Every thought like a laser beam, cutting
Welcome to the Children's Zoo and the ZOO Railroad. We're going to make a couple quick trips around the zoo at a whopping 7.5 miles per hour. So for your safety, you're going to ask that you remain seated at all times. Keep your arms, legs, and feet and everything inside the car. Try to hang on to all your belongings, hats, coats, gloves, coats, kids, cell phones, purses, sunglasses, tennis shoes. We've seen them all. If by chance you do drop something off the train, please don't go get it. Just remember where you dropped it, and we'll send Tim out after it this time. All right, everybody ready to go?
Yep.
Let's go have some fun.
Kind of way
Camels will drink 30 gallons of water in 10 minutes.
Drink 30 gallons of water in 10 minutes. Camels.
So they don't sink into the sand or maybe the dirt. Design this for that purpose. Somebody's got that all figured out, right? It really goes through there. I think they have a new climbing pool right now. They didn't have it last time we went around, they were on the side. There they go. They like this one there.
Coming back from the air, out of the dark. There are voices telling me to let go. The kind of weight that varies your soul. But your hand cut through like dawn breaking. Show me there was still something worth saving. You pulled me out of the dark when I couldn't see the horizon. Out of the dark where I was drowning in silence. Now I'm breathing again.
Arms, legs, inside co-chair, and one on the side. Thanks.
Worked these streets for 20 years with lust on my hands and sweat in my eyes. Tonight I'm burning every fear. Gonna take what's mine under these American skies. No more punching clocks at dawn. No more bending knee to anyone. This heart's been waiting far too long to find out what I might become. I can feel it rising in my chest. This is my moment. This is my test. We're legendary forever. Nothing's gonna break us down. Legendary forever. We're taking back this town. Reach your fist to the sky. And we will all find this right. Legendary forever. I'll miss it, play it safe. Keep your head down, don't make a sound. But there's fire running through my veins, and I can't live buried underground. So I'm calling out to everyone who's been told there'll never be enough. That we rise like the morning sun and show this world we're made of. I can feel it rising in my chest. This is our moment, this is our test. We're legendary forever. Nothing's gonna break us down. We're legendary forever. We're taking back this time.
Yeah, I know. But it's weird, as loud as you can.
Every chain falls to the ground. Listen to that freedom sound. From the factories to the open road, we're shaking off the
dark and light, the fire, no shadow fading in the weather. This is my life, I'm holding it forever. And forever. Love is so loud, one Mulberry must be mine. Chasing dreams I'm not confined. Every clock I'll drum, I'll keep in the beat. Won't feel down so good on my